There's a lot of insecurity you start to feel when you realize that the field you're in may not be the one you want to stick with. It's definitely a different experience going back to school. Was it going to be too much? Was it going to be overwhelming? It was an emotional journey.
I wasn't financially comfortable. I was working a lot of hours to make myself financially comfortable.
One of the reasons I was hesitant to sign up is because I hadn't studied in about 20 years. So I was actually wondering if I could do it or if I had the study skills.
When a student comes to the Warren County Career Center, we really try to find out what their passion is. We have a lot of programs here to offer. We work with the students to find out where they could see themselves long term.
We truly believe that our students learn the best when they have the ability to connect with our educators one-on-one and really customize their education to what their needs are.
Our instructors, they've all been in the field doing this type of work. They're able to teach our students things that you can't learn out of a book.
Having people here to help me grow and having people to challenge me, the instructors really care.
When you have instructors that have been out there for 30 years, they'll be able to tell you exactly what you're reading and how it fits into real life.
Everything has been hands-on. You don't have to take a bunch of gen eds. All of the information you're learning is relevant and you will use it on a day-to-day basis going forward in your career.
When I see the students succeeding and completing programs, that in itself is the reward for the instructors. Just knowing our students are happy, they made the right choice, the gratification there is like no other.
There's a whole lot of opportunity for jobs.
It just turns into one big family, and I still talk to guys almost every day out of my class. The camaraderie, everybody just takes care of each other.